Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be reacting to 4 nasty / disrespectful Lyft and Uber riders. So I already reacted to the first part of this video, so if you want to see that, part 1 will be linked down below. But yeah, this is going to be the rest of the video. Also, before we get started, if you haven't heard of this app called Solo, you should definitely check it out. We have a link in the description. If you use that and link your gig account, they will send you $10 just completely for free. What Solo does is it's like a business app for drivers, and they'll help you with taxes, get you guaranteed pay, and they have a bunch of other features, so definitely check that out.
I know, I'd like to go home, so. I mean, if someone else wants to call one, that's fine, but I requested this Uber. I know I requested this Uber, and I'm sitting in it, so. I'm actually calling the recorder, and you have a record. I mean, I have time. I got all this on video, by the way, too. I got a dash cam here with everything on video.
Wow. So that was the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. What would you do in that situation? Also, who do you think was in the wrong? I feel like the driver could have kept his cool a little more. I understand it can be hard to do that sometimes, but like, you can always respectfully ask someone to leave and not call them names and swear at them. And also, you know, the girl should have just left. Like, anyways, if you like this video, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.